Sleep is essential for physical and mental well-being, but for many, quality rest remains elusive. The World Health Organization reports that 27% of the world's population suffers from sleep disorders, with insomnia being one of the most prevalent. Insomnia is often accompanied by troubling effects such as irritability, fatigue, brain fog, poor memory, and a general sense of decreased vitality. As these symptoms worsen, they take a toll on one's overall quality of life, diminishing productivity and affecting emotional health. In response to these challenges, Cranial Electrotherapy Stimulation (CES) has emerged as a non-invasive drug-free treatment option for insomnia and related sleep issues. One of the most promising devices in this field is the LanYuXuan Cranial Electrotherapy Stimulator (CES) Mini3, which is designed specifically for insomnia treatment. This portable, easy-to-use sleep aid device delivers gentle electrical pulses to the brain, helping users achieve restful sleep without the use of pharmaceuticals. How cranial electrotherapy stimulation works. Cranial electrotherapy stimulation (CES) is a form of electrotherapy that sends low-frequency, pulsating electrical currents through the scalp to stimulate the brain. These electrical signals modulate brain activity, promoting the release of natural neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, and endorphins. These neurotransmitters are critical for regulating mood, reducing anxiety, and, importantly, improving sleep quality. By restoring the brain's natural balance, CES devices help the body shift into a more relaxed state conducive to deep sleep. The Mini3 sleep aid device operates at a pulse frequency of 0.8 to 1.2 Hz and offers adjustable settings for intensity and duration, ranging from 20 minutes to 1 hour per session. It uses square wave pulses that work in harmony with the body's electrical fields, enhancing its natural rhythms for improved sleep quality. Users are encouraged to apply the device 20 minutes before sleep daily, though the duration can be adjusted based on personal needs. This level of customization ensures that the device adapts to individual sleep patterns and preferences. A future rooted in Tesla's vision of electrotherapy. The concept of electrotherapy as a healing modality is not new, dating back to the work of Nikola Tesla, who envisioned electricity as a powerful force for healing the human body. Tesla famously stated, "The day when we shall know exactly what electricity is, will chronicle an event probably greater, more important than any other recorded in the history of the human race." Tesla believed that understanding electricity could unlock the body's natural healing capabilities, a vision that modern CES devices like the LanYuXuan Mini3 are beginning to fulfill. In the words of Drive, Walter Russell, "We are all electric creatures," reflecting the idea that our bodies, like the universe, are powered by electrical energy. Devices like the Mini3 CES sleep aid tap into this energy, harnessing it to restore balance and harmony to the mind and body. By aligning with the body's natural electrical rhythms, CES offers a pathway to health that is both ancient and cutting-edge. Conclusion: a drug-free solution for better sleep and mental health. As the prevalence of insomnia and related disorders continues to rise, the need for effective, non-invasive treatments has never been greater. The LanYuXuan Mini3 Cranial Electrotherapy Stimulator offers a practical, drug-free solution that harnesses the power of electricity to improve sleep quality, reduce anxiety, and restore mental clarity. Its customizable settings, ease of use, and portability make it an accessible option for anyone looking to regain control over their sleep and overall well-being. By choosing the Mini3 sleep aid device, users can address the root causes of insomnia and experience the benefits of a well-rested mind and body, without the side effects of medication. It's time to embrace the future of sleep therapy, one that Tesla envisioned over a century ago, where electricity is not just a force of nature, but a force for healing.